Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sync your PlayStation 4 trophies with your PS5 console. And this is very easy to do. So just on the PlayStation 4, I want to go up to the top and then go to Trophies right here. Then, under this menu, press Options, and go to Sync with PlayStation Network. And this will upload your trophy progress from your PlayStation to the cloud, and then you can go ahead and get it on your PlayStation 5. So you can see I have PlayStation 5 games under this menu, even though I'm on the PlayStation 4. So it looks like I started up Meet Your Maker at one point. Then here's Diablo 4, the PS4 and PS5 version, and Walkabout Mini Golf. But hopefully this quick video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.